Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and today's video we're going to talk about something that just kind of slipped under the radar and started popping about a week ago over at Walgreens. This is a very subtle change, yet it does have some ramifications. So if you're really not about paying attention, you really have to pay attention to this video because there is a difference between a store coupon and a manufacturer coupon, and this is classically a register reward, and they've been changing it to say store coupon instead of manufacturer coupon. This is a very new thing, so we're going to have to wait and walk around with it a little bit, test it out, see what works, what doesn't work. I haven't tested it myself yet because I just did one deal where this dreaded store coupon popped up for me. Will all register rewards be this way in a month from now? I don't know. I know that on either Thursday or Friday, everything is changing over to the new My Walgreens. So is this part of it? Possibly, maybe, yes, I don't know. We're going to have to walk through this together, guys, and wait and see what happens. Top one is a store coupon. The one on the bottom is a manufacturer. If you look at the red arrows, that's how you can tell the difference between the two. I'm going to walk you through what the two, like, what's the difference? Why is this a big deal? So I did this deal I think on Sunday where I bought 2 Dove body washes, and if you go back and watch the video, this is what printed out for me, which was a $4 back because I bought 2. In the ad, it's saying that I will get a register reward, but then it says store coupon at the top. And again, there is a difference between a store coupon and a register reward. I think most of you know that. And with the store coupon in the future, we can use this in a different way too. So it's not a complete throwaway and a bad thing because we'll be able to utilize this for buy deals. That is for sure. So just to jog you guys through this, and again, I know I'm throwing a lot of information at you. A store coupon, you do not need a filler item. So if you have like coupons from that big book of savings, like the IVCs, instant value coupon, that's what the acronym means, you don't need a filler item to utilize one of those for the deal. Thus, the same for these ones. You don't need that caramel or the iced tea. You do not need the filler item. For every manufacturer or a register reward, you need an item on the receipt to pick up it. That's called your line limit, and every single item on the line, if you're going to use a coupon for it, say you're grabbing 5 items and you want to use 5 coupons, register rewards included, you would need 5 to cover it. If you were going to use 5 manufacturers and 2 register rewards, you would need 7 items. So you would need 2 filler items, such as an iced tea or, something cheap at checkout, to use the 5 manufacturers and the 2 register rewards. And that's to do with the line limit. But when you have a store coupon, it's exempt from the line limit. See how confusing Walgreens is right here? But hopefully you could follow my lead on that one. Okay, so this is your IVC, known as the Instant Value Coupon, Walgreens coupons. This is called the April Big Book as well. And this is an example of a store coupon. You can either use the paper book found at store, free for customers to take, found right at the front usually, or alternatively, you can load them digitally. The digital IVC coupons are of a one-time use. These paper ones, you can use them throughout the entire month. So, for example, if I wanted to go and get the Scott's toilet paper and scan that IVC, I could use that on my store card, every single day if I wanted to go in and buy 1 toilet paper and use that $1.25 IVC. Hopefully that's crystal clear. And this is what the IVC coupons look like. There's always a good amount of them, and you can always pair these with manufacturer coupons because these are Walgreens coupons. So hopefully that is clear. I know a lot of people have questions about it. So that's them. So use them wisely, of course. And then also another store coupon example is in the flyer. So you could either load these digitally too, or you could, get a screenshot and get the cashier to scan it. They don't provide flyers anymore at the store, just that paper that's photocopied. But this is another example of a store coupon. So adding to the list of the store coupons is the new register reward that says store coupon at the top. So those last 2 examples is the same as this one. So that's how you're going to have to treat it. So, yeah, a lot of you have been having a lot of mistakes with your hauls, and I think this has a lot to do with it in the last couple of weeks. Okay, guys, so here's a really good example of a deal that I would not use this store coupon with is spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So that's a nope to not use this, because if you think about it, you would be $4 less than from reaching that $20 if you would utilize this coupon. So formally, a register reward manufacturer coupon that would work, the store coupon would just reduce this down to $16. So hopefully you could follow what I'm saying here, and it's starting to make a little bit of sense, and that's what the store coupon would do. It would be like using an IVC for this and hoping to get to $20. The IVC would reduce down your cost. So also, I would not use this with these sort of boosters, which is $5 Walgreens cash when you spend 20. You would be at $16 if you utilize this, because this is a store coupon using it with the booster, and it would just reduce it down. So hopefully that's crystal clear, these examples of when I would absolutely not use it. Now, yesterday I was in the store buying a bunch of clearance merchandise. This is an example of when you can absolutely use it. If there's an item that you want to stock up on, say there's toilet paper, you can use this with the IVC and it should work beautifully for you. And I had no problems, no issues using this with clearance stuff, and I did test that out yesterday. It worked beautifully and I knew it wouldn't affect anything. So instead of using my Walgreens cash, for this, and they seem to have a good amount of clearance as of the last 2 months over at Walgreens. And a lot of the stuff is like 90 and it's insane, like the food stuff or the detergent stuff. So I don't think this is going to be a total loss, especially if you're a very loyal Walgreens shopper. There's still going to be a lot of room for a lot of deals for us. So I don't think it's, the time to hit the panic button or start to complain. I think there's going to be a lot of movement for this coupon. Also, a deal such as this one where you're buying 2 items to receive a register reward, if you were going to use this store coupon with, I don't think you would have an issue with that, as long as, you're not earning a store coupon for the exact same promotion, then a second one won't print. But say you're using this from week 1 to week 2 for a Revlon deal, for a Gain deal, I don't see an issue with it. And because it's a register reward thing, it'll still print for you. So I'm very confident about that. But again, we're going to have to wait and see how all of this plays out. More hiccups and nonsense included. Any sort of a deal where it's like buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash, with this sort of store coupon, you absolutely could throw it in. Anything with the word buy in it, yes. Anything with the word spend in it, that's a hard and fast no. Lot of information here. Maybe watch the video twice if you still doesn't click in. But this is something very subtle I wanted to share with you. We're going to have to wait and see how this plays out, like everything over at Walgreens. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.